Ooh, look at this. This is a 80s model Pontiac Bonneville. I gotta walk around a Camry so y'all can see the back of it. What's that? 83, 84 Pontiac Bonneville with big old dual exhaust on it. Little baby writing spider, look at that. Little baby writing spider. Now this is how bad I wanted to show you guys this car. I had to go find me some ether spray to kill some not yellow jackets, wasps or something. We're living right there. See them all? Yeah, I had to go kill all of them just so I could open it up and show you guys. But don't know if it runs, don't know anything about it. But it's got a 305. This may be a 307. I'm not entirely sure. Sticker across it just says 5 liter, so I don't know. But looks to be mostly there. Thermostat neck is gone. It's had a water pump put on it. Had an alternator put on it too, used of course. Alternator says 85 S10 and Blazer. So it must be just, I guess, a standard 305 alternator. Rat's nest of wiring going on over there. But once again, it's complete. It's got a carburetor on it. So there's the thermostat neck right there. Probably be put back on. Maybe it'll run. I don't know. I have no idea the story on this motor, on this car whatsoever. It's just here, scrapped. Body's really straight. Also, this is the dang week for storms, man. Look at this. We're about to get hit by another one. But had a vinyl roof on it. It's been ripped off. Looks like they ripped it off quick enough. It didn't completely rot the roof out, but it did do some noticeable damage. Check this out. The rear quarter glass opens. It's not closing, but it opens. Marker lights. Ooh, look at that crustiness. It's a classic G-body garage. Does a lot of stuff like this. If you're watching, what's going on, man? Oh, here you go. Power vents. The vents are actually power actuated. Isn't that freaking sweet? So, do I dare get inside of it? Because there's bees right there that I killed. There's probably going to be more. We'll be careful. $32,000 on the odometer. Keys are on the floor over there, it looks like. Yeah, it's gonna have to have a key in it. I guess for you guys, I'll poke my head in here. See if the key fits the switch. Oh, it does. Which means if we round up a battery, we'll probably light this puppy off. I like all the vents in the dash. Look at that. You got vents over there, vents in the center, vents over here, intermittent wipers, tilt column, 60-40 split seats, climate control, fuel gauge, voltage, temperature, oil, quartz clock, 80 miles an hour, 3-speed trans, no overdrive. Pretty straight looking old car though. Taillight's in good shape, bumper's in good shape. Someone's dug out the trunk lock. The exhaust. I think these are the rally wheels, aren't they? The chrome bands, Pontiac centers. The centers are probably worth saving. Is it blown? Oh, okay. Negatory. Well, I'm sorry. I don't think so. But the Pontiac centers are probably worth saving.
Dropping another one in and make it a race car.
You sure?
That thing's a V6.
No, it's a V8, but according to the stamp code, it's just a 305.
He said it was fucking 454.
We
done it, dumbass. So.
Yeah. Anyway. Yeah, they're power vent windows.
Man, that's fucking badass.
Anyway. Doors are a little mangled across the bottom of the trim here. I'm not opening this door because if there's bees on that side, there's bees on this side. Do not know. Whatever this motor is now, it used to be a 305 or a 307. But don't know. Pretty cool though, and it's not rusty either. Very, very clean car all the way down. It's beautiful. Car's very solid. Super straight body on it. Super straight body. I only had one of those Pontiac centers. Yeah, just one. Oh well. In this one here. Close this down. So I'm assuming it's an early 80s. 83 or so, I guess, if I had to just pick a number off the top of my head. But there you go, folks. Scrapped. Poor little Pontiac Bonneville. I'd love to get my hands on one of these in decent shape. This one is a little too rough for the pickings, but as long as you didn't get it with that terrible V6. God, what was it? 3.8 liter or something like that? Just garbage. Them things were just garbage. From what I've seen, every one of them I've seen blows heads, or mostly it's the oil pump fails and the bottom end goes out in them. But because we've had 2 or 3 of these that came in here with the V6 that still ran and drove, but once you ran them for more than about 30 seconds, they just started knocking because the oil pump was losing pressure or gumming up one. Anyway, just thought I'd share this little rust-free gem with you. Well, rust-free except for the vinyl top. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.